Hello student, today we are going to discuss about technical question asked in interview for the civil engineering. So first one is M10. So grade of concretes are expressed by a letter M and followed by a number. So M refer the mix and 10 represent the characteristic compressive strength of concrete in Newton per mm square. So M10 grade concrete, the ratio is 1:3:6. So one part is cement, 3 part is sand, and the 6 part is aggregate. So M15 grade of concrete, the ratio is 1:2:4. M20 grade of concrete, the ratio is 1:1.5:3. And M25 grade of concrete, so ratio is 1:1:2. So next topic is unit weight. So unit weight of RCC means that is reinforced cement concrete. So reinforced cement concrete is a composite material which is made up of steel, which is made up of concrete and steel reinforcement. So unit weight of RCC is 25 kilonewton per meter cube. Next one is PCC, that is plain cement concrete. So plain cement concrete is a hardened mass obtained from a mixture of cement, sand, gravel and water in definite proportions. So unit weight of PCC, that is 24 kilonewton per meter cube. So unit weight of bricks, that is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Unit weight of steel, that is 78.5 kilonewton per meter cube. So the next one is maximum cement content used for RCC construction is 450 kg per meter cube. So as per IS code 456/2000. So characteristic compressive strength of concrete, so it is defined as that strength below which not more than 5% of the test results are expected to fall. So characteristic compressive strength of concrete is denoted by FCK. So for example, if the grade of concrete, suppose M20, so the value of FCK is 20 Newton per mm square. So tensile strength of concrete, so tensile strength of concrete can be correlated with characteristic compressive strength of concrete. So as per IS 456/2000, that is tensile strength of concrete is equal to 0.7 under root FCK. So the modulus of elasticity of the concrete, so as per IS 456/2000, the modulus of elasticity of the concrete, that is EC, is equal to 5000 under root FCK. So partial safety factor for concrete, that is 1.5, and the partial safety factor for the steel, that is 1.15. So maximum strain in concrete at the outermost compression fiber, that is 0.0035 in bending, and maximum strain in the tension reinforcement in the section at failure shall not be less than Fy upon 1.15 ES plus 0.002. So suppose if the width of beam is B and the overall depth, that is capital D, and the area of reinforcement, that is AST, so अगर हम ड्रॉ करें and the neutral axis so at the outermost compression fibers the maximum strain in concrete that is 0.0035 and maximum strain in the tensile reinforcement shall not be less than, that is Fy upon 1.15 ES plus 0.002. ये इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, that is 0.87 Fy upon 1.15 ES plus 0.002. So effective span for simply supported beam or slab as per IS 456-2000 clause number 22.2, that is clear span plus effective depth, center to center distance between the supports, whichever is less. So for example, if a simply supported beam and the clear span is 4 meter and the center to center distance between the supports is 4.5 and the effective depth is suppose 1 meter, so clear span plus D, that is 4 plus 1, that is 5, first condition, and the second condition is center to center distance between the support, that is 4.5. so whichever is less, that is 4.5. so effective depth is, that is 4.5 meter. So effective depth is 4.5 meter. Next one is normal cover to reinforcement. So as per IS 456-2000 the clause is 26.4. so normal cover for footing, that is 50 mm, normal cover for column, that is 40 mm, and normal cover for slab, that is 20 mm, and the normal cover for beam is 25 mm. So deflection control, so as per IS 456-2000 the clause is 23.2. so as per clause number 23.2 the span to depth ratio are not greater than, so L upon D ratio is 7 for simply supported beam, L upon D ratio is 20 for the cantilever beam, and L upon D ratio is 26 for the continuous beam. So next one is minimum reinforcement. As per IS 456-2000 clause number is 26.5.1. so minimum area of tension in steel shall not be less than, that is AS upon BD is equal to 0.85 upon Fy. so and the maximum reinforcement, the maximum reinforcement for beam or slab, the maximum area of tension reinforcement shall not exceed, that is 0.04 BD. so 0.04 BD, where B is equal to, where B is width of the beam and D is overall depth of the beam. So as per IS 456-2000 the development length, that is LD is equal to sigma S phi upon 4 tau BD, और इसको फर्दर ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, that is LD development length is equal to 0.87 Fy phi upon 4 tau BD, where tau BD is, that is design bound stress.